So you're selling your home and maybe have heard the term disclosures, but maybe really never paid enough attention or see what the fuss is about. Well, this video is for you and will help explain what it means to you as a homeowner. In general, a disclosure document is supposed to provide details about a property's condition that might negatively affect its value. Sellers who willfully conceal information can be sued and potentially convicted of a crime. This is vital to ensure that you are safe during and after the sale. I highly suggest going over disclosures with your agent prior to the home going on the MLS or prior to buyers seeing the home. I want them to have previously reviewed the disclosures prior to making an offer. This will help ensure the buyer doesn't back out from things they should have already been made aware of. This is actually a safety net for not only the buyer, but also you, the seller. Anything from whether or not you live on a golf course or if you have a sex offender living in the surrounding area that you know about will have to be disclosed. When selling anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed needs to be disclosed. So if you've painted the walls, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting, or fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of the many common sayings to my clients is if you have to ask me if you should disclose it, the answer is most always going to be yes. Over-disclosing is better than under-disclosing and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home. Hiding it for financial gain can leave you open. And to be absolutely honest, it's not the end of the world. Things can be replaced and fixed without compromising your values just to make a buck. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later, telling you that they want to go to court or want to try to extract more money out of you. To be crystal clear, you only disclose what you know about the home. If there are issues with the property that you don't know about, then the buyer would have to prove that you did know and kept that from them intentionally in order to win in court. So when in doubt, disclose, disclose, disclose.